This is part 40. I'm showing the source photo for the Drawing It Up Right and Citing the Dignity Human Rights Art Series 47. It is on page 358, plate 392 in the chapter beginning with the end of the war in the book, The Pictorial History of the Holocaust, published by Yad Vashem in Jerusalem in 1990. I'm going to read the caption here. That's the photo. That's my ink drawing there. Plate 392, Child Survivors of Auschwitz on the Day of Liberation in January 1945. Photographed by Soviet soldiers who liberated the camp. I'm just going to mention for teachers, I do not recommend showing this book to children, adolescents, teens, maybe with the exception of like seniors in secondary school, high school. It has some very, very disturbing photos of bodies, corpses, people being shot, and so on. So I've always been a proponent of using non-threatening imagery when teaching about the Holocaust and other genocides, whether archival historical photos, interpretive art, and other arts media make it child, teen, accessible, friendly, non-threatening, and non-disturbing. Thanks. All right, there you have it. What's going on, Budgie Wedgies? Getting some morning exercise in? That's a good idea because it's nice and cool now. It's going to get really hot later today. All right.